All right, welcome back. So in this video, we're going to talk about the span tag. So the span tag defines a section in a document. So let's write that in here. Okay. And what we're going to do is we'll do span, and then we'll do a dash and then a space. And then below that, we'll just type the word span and hit tab. And Atom will autofill all of your tag needs, which is great. So a span, the way that I've used a span, and there's different ways to do that, but the idea with this is simple. So if I go before the span and I do H1, okay, and I tab, if I just type in the word H1 and tab, right? Okay, let's do it like this. I'll return, type in H1 and tab, and then delete this right here, and put this H1 here, okay, and then this one over here, okay? Now, what I can do is I can type in the word learn, and then in the span, tech. So you can see the differences that are offered. So if I open that in the browser, you're going to see learn tech, right? And it's the same right now. But if we utilize the style tag, which what we talked about earlier, and I just do style, okay, and we do span, and I do color red, okay, and then I right click and open in the browser, not Reveal in Finder, sorry about that. We're going to right click and open in the browser, okay. Now I'm able to separate the span tag from the H1 tag. And this is a way to do that without having to give it a class or an ID. You can just give it a different tag, and then you're able to separate it. So this is a technique that I used when I had a multicolored logo. I had a blue and a white logo, and I still use that now. And so the best way to optimize your website is to use text instead of an image, because it easily will render in a web browser if you use text over an image. An image is still fast, but text is really fast. So that's how I learned about the span tag years ago, and how I utilized it was to create a logo, okay? And it's commonly used that way. So the span tag is a very important tag to use and to understand. And so there you go. So thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.